Alright, I'll be perfectly honest with you. I am pretty nervous right now. This car hasn't been driven on the public highway legally for 23 years. The last tax disc ran out 23 years ago and I am about to drive it. A few things, obviously, I don't have a back seat. My passenger seat is not bolted in. And my driver's seat is the only one that is. I've just fitted a new alternator. Well, I fitted an alternator, got rid of the dynamo, fitted a new distributor with electronic ignition. I have no heater and it's probably about 5 degrees outside now. So it is pretty chilly still. I'm not going to go too far. I'm not going to go too far with this because I want to do a drive and I want to check everything over. And I would like to put a heater in this before I drive it any distance. So, yeah, wish me luck and yeah, come along for the ride. Here we go. Right, we've got brakes, that's good. I don't have a working speedometer either. Right, that is pretty much flat out. I'm pretty sure my timing is nowhere near where it should be. And I have no idea how fast I'm going. But it drives pretty well at what is probably about 30 miles an hour. And we're about to be overtaken by a Skoda. Alright, let's go for an indicate. Discovered the indicators now aren't working. That squeak I think is my clutch pedal. I really don't want to speak too soon, but I am feeling more confident with the car already. Just remember that I didn't connect my mirror back up either, so I ought to do some hand signals really. The banging, by the way, in the back is a box of spare parts that I haven't taken out yet. Oh, potholes. My spare parts are making a lot of noise. Right, let's go down here. Ooh, don't go into first because there's no synchro. Gear change is really smooth. Everyone's been warning me about the gear changes on these being pretty shocking, but this one is actually quite smooth. I know I've changed the oil in it. I like this car. The alignment needs work. I need to move my spare parts from the back. This is the best bit about classic cars. This is the fact that the window ledge is the perfect height for your arm. You don't get that in any. In fact, I got into a Mercedes earlier, the other day, and my arm was like my elbow was by my ear. How do you drive like that? This is brilliant. Off we go. I'm going to head back to the workshop just because I don't want to. I want to give everything a check over. But this route is it's a good 2 or 3 miles. It's a good break in, good systems check. Second. Be so careful with these drum brakes. They don't work. You can't just brake harder like you can in a modern car. There we go. Well, there we have it. It's been quite an exciting day for me. First time driving the Morris on the road. First time the Morris has been on the road since 2000, I think, when the last tax disc ran out. Thank you all so much for watching and supporting this little mini series, supporting my channel. I do still have a lot of work to go on this, a lot of things to do. Obviously the new interior needs to go in, that's probably priority. I have entered into a car show in beginning of April, I think it is, with this. A lot of work to do between now and then, and there will be videos up on the channel on that. Check out my Instagram, Facebook, you'll see updates on this a bit more regularly than videos. If you haven't checked out my shop already, please do. I've got lots of Patch the Morris Minor stuff, and I've got a few other designs coming out as well. If you haven't subscribed, please do. That does really help me a lot.